Hey everyone, it's Kevin with Active Physical Therapy. We are beyond excited to be reopened and seeing patients again face to face in a limited capacity. We are open in all three locations. That includes Worthington, Hilliard, and Newport, Kentucky. Again, we're limiting the number of treatment slots that we have available just to reduce the amount of people in the clinic. I did want to go over some of the steps and precautions that we're taking to make sure you're safe every time you enter our clinic. So the first thing you'll notice is that on each door will be a sign, and that sign encourages our patients to remain in their vehicle until their treatment time is ready. Our PCCs will call you once our previous patient has left the clinic and your treatment time is ready to begin. Again, this limits the amount of people that are in our clinic. We also request that any guests or family members of patients remain in the vehicle unless absolutely necessary. That effectively closes our waiting room for the time being and again reduces the number of patients and people that are in our clinic at once. Once you're in the clinic, this goes for our patients as well as every employee that we have. We'll screen them for their temporal temperature and we'll screen you for your temporal temperature. And if that temperature is beyond the CDC recommendations, then we'll ask that you leave and go home. We'll monitor your symptoms for the next 48 hours and we'll provide your care via telehealth. Telehealth has been a really big success for our patients. Not only does it eliminate any potential exposure to the COVID virus, but a lot of insurance companies right now are waiving patient responsibilities. So we can still discuss your pain. We can still discuss exercises that are effective, go over some strategies via computer or cell phone. And again, it's essentially free of charge for you at this time. Once you've signed in, we will make sure to sanitize the pen every time it's being used by a patient with our sanitary wipes. You'll also notice all of our staff members will be wearing these lovely masks. We will have plenty of these masks available, and we do request that our patients wear masks as well. So you can grab one of our masks, or you can bring one from home if you made a cloth one, and you want to use that and wash it after the visit in our clinic. You'll be taken back to thoroughly wash your hands before you enter our back treatment room. Once you're back there, you'll notice we will keep up with all of our regular standards of washing and sanitizing the tables, all of the treatment equipment, exercise balls, anything that comes in contact with our patients or our employees. We'll make sure to get that wiped down and sanitized for the next patient that comes in. Lastly, we will try to maintain that 6 feet of distance at all times. Obviously, we are physical therapists. A lot of times we will provide care within that 6 feet boundary, including care that requires hands-on treatment or specific exercise recommendations. But again, we'll make sure that we're wearing masks. We can wear some gloves if and when appropriate. And we will wash our hands after every patient encounter as well. Once again, we are very excited to be resuming care for those patients in Columbus and Cincinnati. If you do have any questions over any of our policies or procedure changes, reach out to us at 614-850-0500. We will have some content online concerning these new procedures as well at activeptcolumbus.com. Again, we look very much forward to continuing care, and hopefully we're all moving beyond this sooner than later.